Big hoe gave me some time. Yeah, I told her keep going, don't stop. Yeah, I put the perk in that walk. Yeah,
so guys, this is Solomon from hedging.com. As you can see, racking up some profits already. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys some withdrawals that people in the world group have already made. People have been making $270 withdrawal, 350 or 370 withdrawal, another 530 withdrawal, multiple withdrawals almost every day, and they are making profits every day and every week since we started. If you had joined us since then, you would have made at least 50 to 60% of all your investment back. Okay, like I said, we always try to withdraw. Even if you make profits that day, we try to withdraw. If you want to withdraw that day, you can withdraw that day, as long as you follow the task and you do the things that you need to do. There are also methods to make money in the group without investing. That is explained once you join the World group. So if you want to join the World group, message me World on Telegram. It's a daily passive income program. You can make between $3 to $170 on a day on the base level, and you can make higher from $35 passively a week without doing much to $15,000 a week. It's all explained in the group, and we'll continue to make profit from that passive income because we're in the summer period where the market is going to be slow, so probably around August, and we're just making passive income to keep our psychology cool so that we don't start taking risky trades. Also, if you join the World program, you also get free access to the VIP signals room, okay, where I drop signals and analysis almost every single day. As long as we are having signals, as long as we're having analysis that day, I will drop it, even if it's 3, 4, 5 signals that day. Low risk, high rewards. Okay, we're always going for minimum 3 to 1, on average 5 to 1. And if we see some 7 to 1, 10 to 1 ratio trades, we take that also. If you also just want access to the VIP Telegram group where you can get signals for between 3 months to 12 months on Telegram, then you can also message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. So today is, today is the 4th, I think. Yeah, 4th, and yeah, we're gonna see what trades the market has for us today. Like I said, I'm looking for something big. I want to make at least $150, $200 minimum. Then a trade that can give me maybe $700 to $1,000 a day in just one scalp trade, because like I said, the market is quite consolidating. I don't want to take too many trades. I just want to take the best trades, and if I don't see that, then I'll take a trade tomorrow. I'll probably stay up till the night time because I have some things I need to do, so I won't really be sleeping tonight. So if I see a trade, mostly system B trade, because if you want to know the difference between system B and system A scalp trade, system A scalp trade is a quick 5-minute trade that I take, okay. System B takes more time. It can give you profits from between 15 to 70 pips in a day, but it's just like still a scalping trade, but done in a day. You hold it longer. So I'm looking for system B trades, and we'll see what the market offers us. If I don't see anything good, then I'll take a trade tomorrow. So we'll go into the charts and we'll see what the market has for us today. Also, if you want to buy the course to learn what I do, because I teach my students live, the same thing I do, everything live, I trade live, okay, and I show you what I do. Same thing, I invested in this group, I've been doing it for months, the passive income. Then I'll show you what I do. I always risk my own money. That's how the course goes. I'll risk my own money, I'll risk my own funds, I'll trade you live. I'll teach you systematic scalp trades. While I'm teaching you, I'll be taking those scalp trades also with real funds, showing you live examples, systematic scalp trades, also how to hedge. Okay, because hedging is my big secret. The channel is named Hedging Mastermind. It's my main weapon on how I compound my accounts and grow it to be so big that it is and consistent that it is. I'm even going to make a withdrawal very soon. I've been holding a swing trade on multiple accounts, and I'm going to close about, let's say around $60,000 in another account, and I'll show it to you guys, and I'll make a withdrawal also. But for now, we're still looking for scalp trades. We're still raking in profits every day. As you can see, I've been making thousands in 2 days, 1 day, and I've been showing it and recording it to you. But if you want to see it live, also with hedging, I'll teach that live also. And you also get the software that tells me where the market is, long-term, short-term, where to hedge, when to hedge. If there's a system A scalp trade, it's going to alert you, it's going to show you where the system B trade is, going to do all the analysis for you automatically in seconds. An algorithm that is always checking every tick in the market. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com and make sure to join our free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year, which I know that we will. And like I said, you can start the world group with just $90. See if it fits you, see if it works for you, see if it's something that is something that you would like to try, and just test it out. Withdraw your money quickly, weekly, daily if you want, and get paid passively. And if you want more of that, then you go deeper into that. But for now, like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells. And when you click the notification bells, click all notifications so that you stay alert for shorts, live streams, because I tend to do live streams for free signal analysis on Monday or Tuesday during New York session. Videos, vlogs, whatever we post in the community. And yeah, link in description below for the for the Telegram group. And if you have anything to say about the video, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every single comment, and we'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. Hello beautiful people, this is the 5th of June, very early in the morning. I didn't sleep and I decided to just come to the charts instead. Saw a trade. So this is a very quick system B scalp trades. And yes, system B scalp trades is what I used to make big profits. The market spread is still a bit high because the market is just opening. And yeah, I didn't really see any trades to take on the 4th of June. The market was a bit messy. We've been taking good system B scalp trades. Remember, if you want to buy the course to learn how to do this live, we're trying to get to 50% on this account. We started with $10,000. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. If you have any questions, also message me on Telegram, link in description below. If you want to get 3 months to 12 months free signals, message me trial on Telegram, and I'll give you the instructions on how to join. Also, if you want to join the Worlds program where we've been making profits every day, okay, from $3 to $170, is something I put in my money in with for months before I even started, okay. Same thing with Forex. I put in my money first before I showed you guys. Message me Wealth on Telegram, link in description below, and you can be making $3 to $170 a day. If you decide that you make your profits today, even on the first day, and you want to withdraw that day, you can withdraw it. It's not something you have to wait for a few days or weeks before you can say, well, you can withdraw whenever you want. And yeah, people have been making $3 to $170. People are withdrawing. You've been seeing their withdrawals probably pop up somewhere in this video: $270, $530, $350, $370, So yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. Make sure to comment, and I always reply to every single comment on the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And when you click subscribe, click on notifications so that you can stay alert for when I do free analysis on the channel. And yeah, because I tend to do that on Mondays and Tuesdays during New York session. Let's see how this trade plays out. So far, the market is looking bearish. However, I saw a system B scalp trade. And yeah, if anything bad happens, I'm just going to hedge it out. Hedging is my main strategy. It's what the banks use. It's what the hedge funds use to exit their trades. It's what has been my main key secret weapon, in compounding and growing long term all these years. So I teach this live by sharing my screen on Zoom. You get the software that tells you the market trend, long term, short term, gives you alerts for system A trades and system B scalp trades also, and where to hedge, when to hedge. Okay, and I teach this live also: hedging, scalping, swing, everything with live trades. So let's see how this trade plays out, and we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. I slept off. This is 10 a.m. Just recently woke up, and there you go. We've hit take profit on this trade. We made about, $180 in total. So I'm still gonna wait and see if there's going to be another scalp trade in the market. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the market gives us. And if we do see that we've made 50% on the account so far, remember we started with $10,000, and yeah, let's see what the market has for us today. Another successful system B scalp trade. Maybe we'll be able to make $1,000 today, plus the extra profits that we've made over the past few days. Or actually, I've made over $200 on the passive income wealth program today. So if I make another 1,000, that would be $1,200 a day. Wow. Anyways, let's see what the market has for us. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be right back if we have another scalp trade in the market. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Yeah, let's see. It may be a sell, it may be a buy. With me, it doesn't matter what the market is doing. I can buy, I can sell because I can hedge out my trade. So let's see what happens in the market. Okay, it's glitching a bit. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be mostly taking system B trades. As you can see, system B trades are the ones that have been giving big profits because I want to grow the accounts with big profits. And because I have the passive income program, I don't need to be desperate. I just need to choose the best trades for me. Okay, so I don't need to take a lot of system A trades. Those trades usually give me less than $100. I can be taking system B trades. Yeah, they give bigger profits, and yeah, they help the account grow faster and bigger, easier with less trades. So when you have something that is giving you passive income, you're able to think clearer and not be desperate. This is why you should always have multiple streams of income. Anyways, we'll be right back if we have another trade in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, beautiful people, we're back again on 15 minutes time frame. I saw another beautiful system B sell scalp trade. So what I'm going to do is the dumb money has been taking buys. However, we've reached a plateau, something up here. If you're a student, you should know what this top is. And yeah, I'm going to take profit on this sell scalp trade. Okay. And there you go. This should give me about $880. We've already made $180. So in total, if this hits take profit, I should be making around over $1,000. Okay, plus the passive income I made. Remember, we started this account. When we started, our first trade was a loss, and we had to hedge that out. We made more profit than a loss, and then we started taking system A scalp trades because that's how I do. When I start, I take system A scalp trades, some small profits. Yeah, get used to trading, take some small profit. And I started taking system B trades, system A trades, system B trades, scalp trades. This is $1,000. This is actually the biggest profit we've had on this account in one single trade, and it was a system B scalp trade. And yeah, let's see. We've taken other system B trades also. Then we had a hedge. I was in a $1,000 loss, and we had to hedge it out. You see, we made more profits than the loss. The hedging is to make more profits to cover your loss, and this is something I do over and over and over, and I teach, and my students can do also. And the software, when you get the course, it comes free with the course. The software tells you when and where to hedge. So far we've made about over $5,000 on this account, over 50%. So we'll keep on trading and trading. If this trade gets into profit, we should be getting closer to 60% on this account. When you're taking system B scalp trades, that's how the account just starts growing and growing. You take less trades, but then you have to wait for like maybe one trade, two trades in a day. Some days you may not see a system B trade, but you'll make a huge chunk of profits with less trades. And yeah, let's see how this plays out. Remember, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want 3 months to 12 months free signals, message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below. And also, if you want to join the passive income wealth program where you could be making $3 to $170 a day just on the base level, message me wealth on Telegram, also link in the description below. And make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in the description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of 2024. And with that being said, if you also have any other questions and you just want to comment it, reply that on the put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back once we're into more profits in the market. I think, from what I'm seeing in the market, I don't think the market can go up anymore. It has fully done money, and it's just going to crash and sell. That's the possibility, in my opinion, that's the only possible thing, because the market cannot go up anymore. If you're a student, you know why. The only possible thing is maybe it's going to consolidate till tomorrow or just crash down. Okay, everything is on my side, and if it doesn't go my way, I simply hedge it out. We'll be right back once we're into more profits in the market. So like, share, and subscribe, and click the all notifications when you subscribe. Hello, beautiful people, and we're back, and we hit our take profit, as you can see, just at the tip, just at the tippy top, just at the tip, 880, just at the tip. So in total, we made over $1,000 today, getting closer to 60% growth on the account, as you can see. And yeah, plus the extra passive income that we've made. So yeah, if you want free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. And if you want to join the passive income program and join the VIP group also, it will also give, if you join the passive income group by messaging me Wealth on the Telegram link in the description below, you also gain access to the Forex Signals group also. Because when you make your profits, you want to reinvest some of it in Forex, take the signals and make more money again. That's the way we do it. We're not just sitting at making money in Forex. We make money in Forex, we make money in passive income, we take some of the passive income profits, we put it back in Forex, we take the free signals and use it to make money. So you just keep on expanding and expanding and expanding and expanding, growing your wealth, growing your income, multiplying it. And that's how you make a lot of money quickly and compound quickly in multiple ways. Anyways, as you can see, the market went up. I kept on saying it is going to drop. And when I say the market must go down, it must go down. It went down, touched the tippy toe of my take profit, tiny, tapped it, and then full done money by going up again. Like I said, it's either going to consolidate or drop down and hit my take profit, and it did both. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment. I always reply to every single comment, and we'll keep on posting profits. If you want to join me live, you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back with another trading opportunity soon. See you guys. Hope you guys have a nice trading week. And because I remember this week is NFP, stay careful, make profits, and don't do the wrong thing. Message me before you get into any trouble so that you can do things the right way. We'll be right back soon.